Take a deck of playing cards and change it into money. Our Black Friday Cyber Monday sale is going on right now at evaneratv.com. The link is in the description down below. Watch the little seal on the bill right there. If I just grab it like this, I can actually move it down the bill. I just drew some little sunglasses on the bill with the marker. Watch. You can make a card turn face up, light it.
Money.
What's good? Welcome back to How to Magic. Watch the card. And float through midair. See them link together. Watch. Oh, magic! I am your host, Evan Era. I'm here today with my daughter, Ava, and we are showing you a $10,000 magic trick.
He just won a giant check that says $10,000!
Cool! A little later in the video, I'll be teaching you how to do the trick, but first up, let's see a performance. Okay, Ava, check this out. If I just take this piece of paper and light it.
Money. Let's go shopping.
Alright, here's how it's done. I'm about to reveal a secret. The secret to this trick is extremely simple, and I'll teach you how it's done right now. The first thing you need for this trick obviously is some money. This is MAGiC flash paper. It's a special flammable tissue paper that goes up in flames and magically disappears in an instant. You can use it for so many different tricks. It's the perfect thing to make something magically appear in your hands. This is what flash paper looks like. It's big sheets. This is $10,000 in real cash, but obviously in a real performance you want to be safe. You can use fake money. This is a stack of fake money. You can get this online for I think 10 or 15 bucks. We're going to take our money, we're going to conceal it in our hand in a palm position. So we're going to take our hand like this, hold the money basically just like this behind the hand. So it's a very angle sensitive thing. Then we're going to take our flash paper and we're only going to use like maybe a quarter of it. We only need about that much, and we're just going to fold it up into a square just like that and hold it at the very corner. We're going to have this money palmed just like this in your hand like I showed you. See? Or you're going to hold the flash paper at your fingertips just like that. It's kind of awkward. So then your last step is to simply light the flash paper on fire. It'll go up. So the money is palmed here. If the flash paper lights up, they're going to be distracted by that, and you simply turn your hand upward just like this to reveal the money. I have to give credit where credit's due. I first saw Jabrizi and Paul Vu do this trick. Super simple trick. It's really amazing, so I hope they don't mind me teaching you all how it's done. Kind of wanted to show you guys because we have MAGiC flash paper available in the shop. Black Friday sale is going on right now, so check that out. Link is down below. You can take 20% off your order at evaneratv.com. Another cool money trick is coming up next.
Check it out.
Take a deck of playing cards and change it into money. Spoiler alert, the secret to the trick is coming up next. Okay, here's what you need to set this up. You're going to need a fake stack of money. Look across the back here, it says for motion picture use only. We're making a motion picture. Then you're going to need a card box. That's the box that the cards come in. Basically going to create this. It's a pulleyed card that's going to snap back into the box. All you're going to do is poke a hole in this card. Take a rubber band and snip it so that you have a long strand of stretchy rubber band just like this. And feed the rubber band right through the card just like that. And then tie a knot on the end of the rubber band to anchor it. And we're now going to poke a hole in the bottom of the card box right here. So once you have the rubber band attached on the bottom of the box, you're good to go for the trick. So your gimmick is set up just like this. You can pull the card up, and the tension on that rubber band, all you do is squeeze the box to hold it in place. The tension on the rubber band will cause it to pop down just like that, and looks like it magically changes into a stack of money. Once you have that rubber band pull attached, as you pull the card up, it wants to spring right back down into the box. To use that to our advantage, we're going to pull this up and load the stack of money in behind it. Take a deck of playing cards and change it into money. For the record, that is an Evan Era original right there. It's a trick I came up with in about an hour. And you can always add a nice touch to the effect by adding one of these $10,000 straps. So like the things that they put on money at the bank. This makes it look nice and official. There are a lot of different tricks that you can do with this concept. You can make a card turn face up. There's a lot of different possibilities. Try that at home and let me know what you come up with. This is our shop. This is our fulfillment center. It's kind of crazy right now because we're stocking up for Black Friday, getting all the merch in stock. These are the mystery boxes. These are these special gift boxes that come with any order over $100. I'll be autographing all of these personally. So if you order like decks of cards, they can go inside here. It also comes with a free set of cool stickers. We package up all of our merch in-house. It's all done by us. We don't outsource it to another company or something like that. And as you can see, the shop has really grown. We got all the Laugh at Life merch over here. Bunch of cool gifts for Black Friday. Friday, stuff for everybody. The MAGiC card boxes, this is a great one. This is a perfect one to do with money, actually. You can put some money inside this, make a card change into money. We have a lot of cool money tricks in the shop, actually. The MAGiC pens, the money printers, all of our stretch coins, the MAGiC stretching dollar trick. We got these awesome new how-to MAGiC stickers. Be including some of those with all your orders as well. All right, it is giveaway time. I'm giving away some MAGiC flash paper and some MAGiC money tricks to comments in the comment section down below. All you have to do to be eligible to win the giveaway is give the video a thumbs up, leave a comment down below with your favorite trick from this video. If you're on YouTube, be subscribed to Evanera TV on YouTube, and if you're on Facebook, give the page a like. It's time to announce the giveaway winners from our last How to MAGiC video. The winners are magically appearing on the screen right here. Please send us an email with your full mailing address to claim your prize. The email address for that is right here on the screen. Thank you to everyone who entered that giveaway, and good luck to everyone entering this giveaway. Be sure to hit the thumbs up and leave your comments down below. So happy holidays, thanks for watching the video. Again, be sure to check out the cool deals on EvaneraTV.com. The deal lasts until Monday, that's tomorrow, Cyber Monday. It lasts until the end of the day, so make sure you get over there to EvaneraTV.com. We do have items selling out left and right, so be sure to scoop them up before they're all gone. If you missed the last episode of How to MAGiC, it's right over there. Subscribe to the channel if you're new, and until next time, remember that anything is possible as long as you stay positive, work hard, and laugh at life. Love you guys.